Hi, welcome to Bond Bytes, a daily bond market highlights from INR bonds. I'm Arjun Patsati, and markets are rallying after very sharp rate hikes by the US Federal Reserve and the ECB. And with RBI policy coming up this week, now if RBI hikes rates by say 110 basis points to 6%, then will the markets be very happy about it? Possibilities are high, multiple benefits, but given the reaction of markets to very sharp Fed rate hikes, which has hike rates by 150 basis points in just 2 months, then there's all chances that markets could rally further. Just before we go on, download our app Quick Invest by INR bonds for the best bonds to invest in to me in an environment of uncertainty. Easy in-app investment process, a lot of most information, high transparency, and our own proprietary risk models gives you exactly the risk and the return profile of your investments. Download the app now.
It was a tough journey going from an intern to a senior professional. Now, to protect my savings against high inflation and grow my wealth, I invest in bonds with INR bonds. Download the INR bonds app to save better.
Back to bond bites. 10-year Gsec yield has fallen sharply to 7.24%. It had gone up all the way up to 7.5% levels just a month ago on fears of inflation, but now with rate hikes by the Fed, very sharp rate hikes by the Fed, and even RBI to some extent, but RBI still has a long way to go. Then markets have been pretty much comfortable, expecting that central bank actions can curb inflation. Sensex and Nifty have rallied again sharply. The rupee is sharply up. All positive risk sentiments. The US Treasury yields are down. Again, positive risk sentiments. All this put together is helping the markets do very well post rate hikes. So is the message for RBI is if you hike rates by sharply to take it up to 6%, which is the higher end, upper end of the inflation band, then the markets could be even more positive because there would be a belief that rate hikes then can be stable for a while or can be tempered down if required, depending on data. So if RBI notes this, then we could have a policy surprise at the end of the week. Thank you very much for listening in. Do not forget to subscribe to your YouTube channel if you've not done so already.